Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install, this time from Ashimary. This is going to be a curly edge. I can attest that the curly edge 4C edges are my favorite wigs like ever. I don't ever want anything that's not that, because y'all, this wig is not, it's not glued to my head at all. Like, it's a completely glueless unit, and you can't even tell. Like, you literally can't even tell. I absolutely love this. Like, when I say you need it, I did not pluck the edges or anything like that, because when it comes to curly hair, it's gonna eventually shed. So when you just start plucking at it, especially if you don't know what you're doing, you just start plucking at the edges, you're just messing it up, because eventually it's gonna fall out. So I like how natural it looks. I love these long baby hair curls. These are the baby hairs. So if you're into that, like, all around, it's so beautiful. This hair, you guys, it just makes me feel so gorgeous. Like, I can't even, I'm at a loss for words, because this unit, I knew I was gonna love it, but I didn't know that like it was gonna hit me that hard. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't know that I would be this much in love with this hair. 24 inches. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's just hop into this unit.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So you guys, I'm back with a wig install from Ashimary. I just wanted to briefly show you guys what came inside of the package. Your wig is going to come inside of like a plastic bag. It is a 13x4, 24 inch. They also give you a wig cap, which I absolutely love. Edges brush that we may or may not use today. They give you some lashes, which I could use. And then they give you this beautiful free gift when you are to order a wig. It's just giving luxurious. Definitely shout out to them. I would tell you guys to absolutely order from them. Let me show you guys this wig on the mannequin head. They have curly edges. You guys see, I did not pluck it. So this is what it's giving. Do y'all see that? Gorgeous curls inside. Okay. All right, so what we need to start off by doing is brushing our edges. All right, y'all, so we need to brush our edges just backwards. I got a really nice big forehead. I just want to briefly try on the wig. Okay, so this is what it's looking like just straight on my hairline. Looks good. Curly edges and all. Okay, so just straight, like, put on my head, this is what it looks like. I actually really enjoy the curly edges, but let's see how this turns out. Okay, so what I want to do to make sure I keep all the curls intact, I'm gonna cut it as close to the hairline as I can without cutting any of the edges off. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it as close to the hairline as I can without cutting the edges, because I want to preserve the curly hair look. Like, that's what I'm going for. So I'm gonna just cut it off camera. So by that, what I meant is I'm going to just cut as close to the hairline as possible. Okay, so I just cut off all of the lace. All right, feels good. What I'm gonna do is just put these two together. I would prefer to wear a unit like this completely glueless. And what that does is just, it keeps it tight on your head. Okay, so I just put it back onto my head. With this curly like edge, it really makes it forgiving. Let's see what we could do, because this is low-key cute. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, we're just kind of seeing how we want to wear the hair. I have added product to it, and it's been air drying for like 2 days. We're gonna just like finger comb it. I low-key, you guys are gonna be so mad at me, but I want to keep these baby hairs long. Okay, so I low-key want to keep the baby hairs long for the sake of it's so cute. I think it's adorable. So we could cut this middle one a little shorter, because it's kind of long to just be like dead in the front. So I'm just cutting this middle one just a little shorter, because that was a little too long. I think it was a little too long. I kind of like the look of the messy edge. So far this is what it's looking like. I think the least you do with it, kind of throwing it to the side, wearing it to the side, the hair is going to last longest. You'll be able to just toss it around This is cute. Look at these edges, you guys. The curly, messy edges are really doing it for me. Of course, if you wanted it to be shorter, you could cut them, but I don't want to cut them. I like them. I think that it's so cute. Do you see that? And look at the length. This is 24 inches. Definitely big head friendly if you guys are like into that. Wait. She's eating, hold on. Overall, you guys, I absolutely love this hair. This is definitely gonna be one of my favorite throw in and go wigs because the type of curls that they are, this is going to be one of my favorite throw in and go wigs because not only am I not wearing it with glue, but it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere because I showed you guys the method of me putting the adjustable bands together, and I love this wig. I was not expecting to like this as much as I do, but the fact that the hair is so, it's like a deep curl, but it's loose enough to not get too tangled. It's not like a kinky texture, but it's more of like just like a beautiful Brazilian curly, you know what I mean? No real waves, all curls, and I am here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. Like, comment, subscribe, and you guys are going to see this wig on my TikTok like all the time because it's cute.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gonna have to find me. They gonna be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.